Good evening. The two pieces I'm going to read are on page 30 and 34. 30 and 34. The Inspiration class at Holy Apostles Church NYC. Even to write about life's group, we're an inspiration. Just the presence of each and every one of us, we inspire our exchange of views. We are what motivates a response, like in the flesh, as we know it to be. That response makes individuals more like a light that comes on. First, you witness this light in the flesh, and we become a part of the universe. We, the parts that make up the whole. Thank you so much.